This is the second Perek of Masechet Suka, the third Mishna. Ha'osa sukaso b'rosh ha'agala or b'rosh ha'sfina. If someone makes a sukkah on the back of a wagon or on a boat, it is kosher, it is valid. Ve'olam la b'yom tov, and you're allowed to go onto the sukkah on Yom Tov. And this is really actually relatively obvious that you're allowed to go on a boat or on a wagon on Yom Tov. It doesn't discuss if it's traveling and how far it can go, but you definitely allowed to go onto a boat or a wagon on Yom Tov. B'rosh ha'ilon, if the sukkah is made on a tree, al gabe gamal, or on the back of a camel, then kshera, it is valid. Ve'ein olam la b'yom tov, and you're not allowed to go onto the sukkah on Yom Tov, and this has nothing to do with hilchot sukkah, but it has to do with hilchot Yom Tov, that you're not allowed to go on an animal, or climb a tree, or be in a tree on Yom Tov. This is a gzeira d'Rabbanan. So if the sukkah is on the tree or on the animal, so it's kosher and you can use it on Chol HaMoed, but on Yom Tov you wouldn't be allowed to go into the sukkah. Shtayim v'ilon v'achas b'dei adam. If two of the walls are the tree, and one is independent wall which is not supported by the tree, or if two of the walls are supported independent of the tree, and only one wall is supported by the tree, kshera, then the sukkah is kosher. Of course, it's kosher. Ve'ein olam la b'yom tov, and you can't go onto it on Yom Tov, because whether the majority is supported by the tree or the minority, in any case, you need to have three walls, and at least one of the critical walls is supported by the tree. You're not allowed to go into it on Yom Tov. But if it's shalosh b'dei adam v'achas b'ilam, if three of the walls are independent of the tree and one wall is supported by the tree, then it is kosher, then it is valid, ve'olen la b'yom tov, and you can go into the sukkah on Yom Tov, because you have a full sukkah independent of the tree, and even though part of the sukkah is supported by the tree, that part is really superfluous and unnecessary for the validity of the sukkah. Incidentally, on a tree, we're not allowed to use a tree, climb a tree, touch, or use a tree in any way, even if you're not directly touching the tree, such as going in a sukkah, which is supported by the tree. Zaklal, the Mishnah concludes with a general principle: Kol shenital ha'ilan v'yachol lama b'fnei atzma kshera ve'olam la b'yom tov. If you would remove the tree and you would be left with a valid sukkah, then it's a kosher sukkah and you can go into it on Yom Tov. And if not, then you wouldn't be allowed to go into it on Yom Tov.